Welcome back, aspirants. In this power-packed GS session, we're diving into history, geography, climate science, and polity, all in one video. Every fact here is exam relevant, so stay till the end and take notes. Ashoka, also known as Ashoka the Great, was the third emperor of the Mauryan dynasty and grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. He ruled from around 268 BCE to 232 BCE and is remembered as one of the greatest Indian emperors. After the brutal Kalinga War, Ashoka embraced Buddhism and promoted the policy of Dhamma, focused on non-violence, tolerance, and welfare of people. His successor was Dasharatha Maurya, his grandson. After Ashoka's death, the Mauryan Empire gradually declined. Ashoka's empire was one of the largest, covering almost the entire Indian subcontinent except the far south. However, not the largest ever. Later rulers like the Mughals under Akbar and Aurangzeb controlled more land. Ashoka used rock and pillar edicts to disseminate his policies. Total 33 inscriptions, 14 major rock edicts, 7 pillar edicts, 2 Kalinga edicts, and others. Around 30 plus Ashokan pillars have been discovered. They were made of Chunar sandstone, a smooth, polished, reddish sandstone from Uttar Pradesh, to broadcast the Dhamma, court orders, and moral instructions across the Mauryan Empire, mostly in Prakrit and Pali using Brahmi script. Few were in Greek and Aramaic, especially in regions like Kandahar. Structure of Mauryan pillars: shaft long monolithic cylindrical stone, capital circular or lotus-shaped, abacus-based platform of the animal, capital figure lion, bull, elephant, horse, etc. Horse latitudes are located around 30 degrees north and south of the equator, regions of high pressure, clear skies, calm winds, and low rainfall, also known as subtropical ridges or highs. Why horse latitudes? Historically, sailing ships stalled here due to lack of wind. To conserve water, horses on board were thrown overboard, giving the region its name. Subpolar low-pressure belts are found at 60 degrees to 65 degrees NS. Due to Earth's rotation, air is pushed up, creating low pressure. These areas are stormy with cyclonic activity. Equatorial low-pressure belt is between 0 degrees to 10 degrees NS. Due to intense heating, air rises vertically, creating convectional currents. No horizontal wind equals doldrums, zone of calm. Polar high-pressure belt is found at 70 degrees to 90 degrees NS. Cold dense air sinks, creating high-pressure zone. Ice and snow dominate, limited air circulation. The grasshopper effect, also known as global distillation, is the long-range transport of pollutants from warmer to colder regions. Toxins like plastics, PAHs, bisphenols travel to Arctic regions. Pollutants condense and accumulate in cold zones. The Arctic becomes a hemispheric sink, threatening ecosystems and indigenous populations. Indian Ocean dipole is the difference in sea surface temperatures between Western and Eastern Indian Ocean. Positive IOD, Western Indian Ocean, warm, leading to more rain over East Africa and India. Negative IOD, Eastern Indian Ocean, warm, leading to more rain over Indonesia and Australia. It affects monsoons, rainfall variability, and climate in countries bordering the Indian Ocean. Often associated with positive IOD and El Niño, negative IOD and La Niña. Famous books by revolutionaries include Philosophy of the Bomb by Bhagwati Charan Vora, Bandi Jiwan by Sachindra Nath Sanyal, Pathadabi by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, and Anand Math by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, which includes the iconic song Vande Mataram. Nilgiri Hills lie at the tri-junction of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, part of Western Ghats. Highest peak, Dodabetta, 2,637 m, famous for tea plantations. Western Ghats run parallel to western coast across 6 states. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, declared one of the 8 hottest hotspots of biodiversity. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, established in 1986. Babar is a narrow belt along the foothills of Himalayas. Porous, water disappears underground. Bangar is older alluvial plain, higher and less fertile compared to new alluvium Kedar. So Babar is not equal to Bangar. Western disturbances originate from the Mediterranean Sea, travel eastwards due to westerlies, cause winter rainfall in North India, especially over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, UP. Crucial for rabi crops like wheat. As per the Election Commission of India, a political party must win 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 states, Oregon, get 6% of valid votes in 4 or more states and win 4 Lok Sabha seats, Oregon be recognized as a state party in 4+ states. Only then is it declared a national party. 8 degrees, 9 degrees and 10 degrees channels are narrow sea channels in the Lakshadweep region of India. 8 degrees channel between Minicoy Island and Maldives. 9 degrees channel separates Kalpeni from Suhelipar. 10 degrees channel between Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are crucial for navigation, defense and marine biodiversity. That's a wrap, warriors. You've just revised some of the most important general studies topics in one go. Like, share and save this for your exam prep. See you in the next power-packed session.